Hello and welcome to UltraCare Pro YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about UltraCare Pro products, its services and its usage. Wrist pain is increasing day by day. The reason behind this is the increase in the usage of phones and electronic gadgets. Most of these devices we control from our hand, and the joint which is at highest amount of risk is at wrist joint, because the tendons, the ligaments and the muscles that are surrounding this wrist joint are constantly working to support or else to bear the weight that we have to hold while using these devices. And that's the reason wrist pain is getting common every single day. So what shall we do in order to bring this wrist pain under control? Want to know that? Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's begin. Friends, wrist pain can happen due to multiple reasons, but whenever the wrist pain is happening, there's pretty sure that either the problem is in tendons, the problem is in ligaments, or else at the joint level. In either of the case, pain would be one very important symptom that will be the sign of alarm for a person. Hence, there are few ways which you can practice in order to get relief from this wrist pain. What are those things? I'm going to share now in just a second. So stay tuned. Friends, the first thing to reduce or else to relax your wrist pain is to reduce the spasm level around the muscles and the joint. This can be done very easily with the help of contrast bath, where you first dip your hand in warm water, immediately remove and dip it in the cold water. When you do this repeatedly for say around 15 to 20 minutes, the swelling would be reduced and pain will also be reduced. Apart from that, some gentle range of motion exercise are very effective in getting pain relief from wrist pain. What are these exercises? Let's have a look. So friends, let's consider this is your wrist area which is having pain. Now in order to get relief from the pain symptom around your wrist, there are few exercises that you can do. The exercises are pretty simple and you can do any time of the day. Just make sure that while doing this exercise, it should not lead to aggravation of your pain, and at the same time, this exercise should also not increase your swelling if it is there. So be gentle and very slow while doing this exercise. So the first exercise that you're going to do is, you're going to give a slight support to your wrist with the other hand, and with the support of your hand, you will give gentle wrist movement like this. So this movement, what I am doing here is up and down movement. You can do this for almost 10 repetitions. The next movement that you will do is outside and inward movement. For that, you will keep your hand in this position and then you will move your hand outside and inward with the support of the other hand. Make sure your wrist is well relaxed and rested on your other palm. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While doing this exercise, also make sure that your fingers are relaxed. They are not stretched or strained like this, but they are in a very relaxed position, because the aim here is to give pain relief and not to strengthen or stretch your muscles. The third exercise is again very simple, where again you are going to give support to your wrist and you will do some gentle supportive rotation movements like this. First 10 times in the clockwise direction and then in the anti-clockwise direction. Make sure that your elbow is well supported, or else you can take support of any pillow or hand being placed on a surface like a chair or else a table. But the idea is to give support to your forearm and wrist region. So I believe this is the best way to do that. One finger or two finger can just give that support and then assist the rotation movements, clockwise and then anti-clockwise. These exercises will make sure that there is no stiffness which is forming around the wrist, there is increase in the blood circulation, and also the joint position sense or the wrist get the feeling of movement, which prevents further stiffness. So once you've done this exercise, just relax, calm down, try to give some additional support to your wrist while using your hand at work. Friends, you can do this exercise 2 times a day. Also, the contrast bath, which I mentioned in the beginning of the video, where you need to immerse your hand in hot water and cold water, that too you can do for 15 to 20 minutes 2 times in a day for better results. Apart from that, if your pain persists, make sure to see a physiotherapist or else a doctor for further advice. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to UltraCare Pro YouTube channel. I'll see you in another video.